Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm going to do a review of some new products that I've picked up. So I thought I'd start off with a new company that I found. It's called NY 3D Creations. So New York 3D Creations. I think they're actually based in Connecticut, but I thought I'd show you three figures that I picked up from them. They're all 1/8 scale, and they, excuse me, they all seem to be 3D printed, and maybe in some cases, like this base here, is casted, I think. Although this feels like it's 3D printed too. But they do really good work. So the first thing I'm going to show you is I picked up a 1/8 scale figure of Batwoman. Some really nice detail on this. And then here's the face. Really nice detail on the hair. And it has actually some decent plugs. I haven't actually tried to put all this together yet, but it seems to fit really well. Might need a little bit of some seam work there and stuff like that, but overall I think it'll work. The legs. The company actually has quite a lot of movie and TV characters and things like that. So there's a little bit of something for everybody. The cape might need a little bit of work. There's some, looks like some points that just didn't get taken off. So I'll just have to take like a little razor blade or something, take those off and smooth it out. Here's the boot. It's not too bad. And the detail's really good. There's definitely, I don't know, they'll definitely have to be washed before I paint this, because it feels like there's like a release or something on here. It feels a little tacky, so I'll just have to wash it before I attempt to paint it. Here's her hand holding a pistol. The detail on that gun is really nice. There's that. And then, oops, here's the boot. And then, I showed you the base already for that. So really nice. I'm going to stop the video. And I'll bring up the second item that I purchased from them, and I'll swap that out and I'll show it to you. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with the next item. Excuse me. So also from NY 3D Creations, they called it the Barbarian. And this definitely looks like the comic book Conan the Barbarian. Definitely from the early 70s look, facial features and everything else. Again, there's another 1/8 scale figurine. The sculpting on the legs on that are really nice. Little injection molding or something I'll have to get rid of. There's the scabbard. Looks really nice. So it does come with a sword. You'll notice the sword is broken, but it actually goes into the base like that. So I'll be standing over it this way with the sword stuck in the ground. Little dagger. Really nice detail on that. There's his torso. Great looking muscle features to paint. It should be really, really well done. Hopefully I can do it some justice when I finally put some paint to it. His arm. Other arm. Again, this is also has that same feel, like there's like a release on it or something, so definitely has to be washed. There's one of his feet. So he should stand. And so his foot's going to go there. There's that. So I'm going to stop this one. There's a good look of his head again. I'm going to stop this, and I'll be right back with the last one I picked up. Okay. This piece that I bought is going to be the fun one, because it is the Grinch from that famous cartoon for Christmas, How the Grinch Stole Christmas. This is going to be a lot of fun, and I'm actually going to make it painted up by Christmas time so that we can actually put it out with our Christmas stuff. But it comes with, here's the body for the Grinch, dressed up as Santa. Really, really nice detail on this. Legs. His feet. There's one of his arms. Again, some of the release points I'll have to just go in and sand off a little bit. Even comes with a little fire for the fireplace. So this all comes with it. Everything you see on the table. So there's this and the Grinch. That all comes with this. All right. There's one of his big gnarly hands. This one's going to be fun. This one's really going to be a lot of fun. So there's that. So that's from 3D New York 3D Creations, or NY 3D Creations. And I will put a link to their website down in the description so you can guys go check them out if you want to. And I'm going to stop this and I'm going to bring out a couple of more items that I picked up. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. Just got these in the mail today, actually. 2 new books from Osprey. So British Light Infantry in the American Revolution. And German Troops in the American Revolution. The Hessen-Kassel troops. Or from the province, sorry. And up to the usual Osprey standards for artwork, the regiments. Some really nice color plates as usual. Yeah. So this will go a long way with building up some more AWI troops. And also British Light Infantry one. More on their uniforms. Again, Osprey's always really got good artwork. And that's usually a good thing. Close-ups of their hats. Sometimes you don't get this kind of detail, which is always a good thing, especially if you're painting some of the larger scale figures. Yeah, some good stuff. So I got those in the mail. And then the last thing I'm going to show you, actually, what did I do with it? Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, last item I'm going to show you for this video. This isn't new, but I'm working on something. So this is Revell's 1940 standard coupe, and I just put body color on. So I'm just kind of waiting for that to harden up a little bit. And this just is a it's Rust-Oleum's Gloss Blue, I think is the name of it. So it's just one coat so far. I may go back and hit it again a second time, but there's that. And then here's the body. I do not have, the interior is not attached yet. Here's the interior. That. And essentially I took the idea for the interior colors from Google. I went and I looked at some photos of some interiors and obviously some restored cars. I really liked the brown interior with this kind of off-white dash and a white steering wheel, so that's what I went with. And it's the frame and body and engine. This piece is not attached yet either. And I have to say this kit has actually gone together very, very quickly and very, very well. Despite my issues that I've had with my recent kits, this one was a breeze. I mean, it just went right together. There was a couple of things that didn't quite make sense in the instructions, like this tailpipe. It has this, I don't know if you can see it, but there's like this little bracket that's holding the tailpipe up here, but it doesn't, the instructions just say put it here, but it doesn't like attach to anything. It's just really odd. You know, normally if I see a hook like that, I expect it to fit into something or onto something, but it just kind of rests right there. So that's where it got glued, right there. But, you know, here's the engine. Pretty basic detail on the engine. Especially for me, I haven't gotten to that point where I can, you know, add wires and things like that yet. I'll get there eventually. So there's that. The underside, I haven't done anything really with it yet. So that's all I have. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I want to thank all my subscribers and my new subscribers. I've picked up a few new ones over the last week or so. So thank you very much for stopping by. And I hope you enjoy the content here. And as always, please like, share, and comment on the video. And I do enjoy talking to all of you. I hope everybody is doing well. I know there have been some very, very severe winter storms all across the U.S. and I hope everybody is staying safe and warm. And for those areas that got really hit, you know, that if you don't have power now, I hope you can get your power back soon. I hope all that gets cleared up for you without too many issues. With that, I'm going to sign off, and I hope everybody's having a great week, and I will talk to you all real soon. Bye-bye.